So the research project we're working on is a new project to investigate both volcanic and seismic hazards. So we want to understand how both the faults that create earthquakes and the volcanoes and volcanic eruptions could affect the population if there were earthquakes or eruptions to happen. The volcano is actually deforming, and so as part of our study to understand the volcanic and seismic hazards, we need to study the Messiah volcano, and this is something that Dr. Christelle Vautier and I are doing here at Penn State. So the drone allows us to collect both video and photographs, and so what we've been doing is taking imagery video of the lava lake to look at how it behaves over time. But more importantly, we've been taking photos, and we can use those photos to construct a 3D image of the crater system. If we come back, we can do the same thing and see how the crater has changed over time related to volcanic activity. This research relates to a really exciting new avenue of research for me in collaboration with Alex Klippel in geography, where we're importing these data into an immersive virtual reality system. And what that's allowing us to do is basically build virtual field trips. Our virtual volcano field trips will allow students both in State College, but also all over the Commonwealth or all over the world through World Campus to travel to these volcanic systems and learn about volcanology, hazards, earthquakes, you name it.